There we go, guys. Boom.
Oh! You lost it.
What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Tattooed Angler here, and I'm back out on the water once again. Actually, I am coming off of the water because this episode is going to consist of me and Midwest Scarfish down at the creek by the river, showing you guys on how to catch hybrid striped bass, and white bass. If you guys have not noticed lately, for the past maybe 2 months or so, I've only fished for river fish. That's kind of what I do during the winter time. I like to go ahead and just, you know, get into walleye, saugers. I go into that mode. At least with my area, it's the best option for me. But I will be transitioning back to bluegills and crappie and bass, and I'll still even be doing some river fishing, just not as much as I have been. But in this video, I'll show you guys on how I am catching hybrid striped bass and everything else. I'll show you guys on what I'm using and everything else, and hopefully you're able to use those tips for yourself. But if you like stuff like this, please make sure to hit that thumbs up, boom, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell, subscribe if you aren't subscribed already, and then let me know what you think about this video down in the comment section below. All right, enough chit chat. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch this video, and I'll catch you guys out on the next one. Peace. All right, guys, so I'm out on the water. Midwest Scarfish is right there to the left side of me, and today's weapon of choice for these river fish are this combination. It is a 1/8 ounce jig head chartreuse colored with red eyes. I have a 2.5 inch fluke on the end of it. It's like a, I don't know, kind of like just a white ice type of color with some silver flake inside of it, and I dipped the tail in chartreuse garlic, just some dye, just normal dye that has scent to it. And what I'm doing is I am letting it fall and then slowly popping it off the bottom, reeling just a little bit, and waiting for that thump so I can take the fish to Hookset City. But I'm being pretty slow with it. There we go, guys. Boom. Come on in, buckaroo. That's what I like to say to fish a lot. Come on, let's go. Oh yeah.
Yeah, I think I put an 8th on too.
Nice little juvenile hybrid. Juvenile. 400 degrees. Let's let him go. Went somewhere over here, but it'll end up out there. Let's go ahead and get us another one.
Oh, I hear it. And then, since I got a lure on before I sink it all the way down, I'm gonna wet it. So, I cut the tagging off. That's good.
Oh!
Oh! He lost it.
There we go. Oh yeah, let's go, baby. Let's go. Get out of the trees, get out of the trees. Come on. There we go, got him out here. Oh. There we go, guys. Oh yeah. Getting it done today. Boom. Nice, nice hybrid. Let's go ahead and let him go. Huh? Oh. All right, let's get us another one. There we go, guys. Thumperooski. All right. Ooh, he a fighter. He's a fighter.
I'm gonna see if I can put a double on. Ross is on one. Let's see if we can double.
Oh yeah.
After that boil.
The Boyle McPoyle. Come on, come on, let's go. Let's go. Oh, come on. Just accept defeat for now. Ugh. Here we go. There we go. Nice. Another nice hybrid. We're starting to figure them out here. Let's go ahead and let this one go. There's plenty more where that came from. Let's go. This is starting to turn out to be quite a common thing. Let's see if we can get us at least a few more. I think we can. There we go, guys. Let's go. They're on fire right now. This is the type of things dreams are made of. Come on. Get out of that muck. Come on. It might have got me tangled up. I'm gonna let him fight it out though. Oh, there he is. Okay, he's over here. There we go. There we go.
I got a drift off right before Ross got in.
There we go. They are munching today. Let's go ahead and let this one go and see if we can get us some more. Boom. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and try for one more, maybe two. If we get the one within the next 20 minutes, then that'll be it. Well, folks, it's been about 30 minutes, give or take, since that last fish. It was hot for a while and then it just shut off like a light. So sadly, I'm gonna have to go ahead and conclude this episode.